people. So you know I what yesterday I went to Health and Glow and I picked up this. It's called Pink Date. Pink Date cushion matte lipstick. And we also went to the pet
Yes.
shop and got this little guy.
Face reveal in 3, 2, 1, 0.
Careful, careful, careful. This little guy. Ayush only chose. It's a male rabbit, as cute as my son. And honestly, we got this little guy because the other guy should not be alone. You know, rabbits are not solitary creatures. They always like to be in pairs. But this time, for the first time, we have two boys with us. We should have had. Oh, careful, Ayush, careful. So Ayush, you'd like to tell us something? What have you named him?
Lightning.
Lightning.
Because of his lightning on his head.
And he's so tiny, but that's why, because they are so tiny, they may not survive, but they are so, but we'll try and do our best to look after him, because that's what it is. Life is all about doing your best. So I think I'll catch you all in my next video.
He's trying his best to
Ah.
find me.
I'll catch you all. Now he'll be our YouTube star for a while. Careful, Ayush, careful. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.